Have you noticed some new hashtags appearing on YouTube above the video's title? What the heck do they mean? How can you use them to make your videos more discoverable? And how do you add them? Keep watching to find out. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So what is a YouTube hashtag? These have been used on Twitter and Instagram to find related content. So what are hashtags used for when you add them to YouTube videos? It's an easy way to find videos on related topics. For example, if somebody clicks a hashtag that I use for my channel, it will show the related videos for my channel. This will result in longer watch time because people are staying longer on YouTube. If they stay longer on YouTube watching more of my videos, then more of my videos will appear in search and suggested videos. That's a good thing. Here's a couple of different ways to find videos using hashtags. Number one, you can enter the hashtag in the YouTube search box and related videos will pop up. Number two, click the hashtag in the video title, above the video title, or in the description. This will also give you a page of related results with the hashtag. How do you add hashtags to your videos? If you want to add hashtags to a single video, go to your video manager, select the video that you wish to add hashtags to, click edit, add the hashtags to the bottom of your video description, or you can also add them to your video title. But for right now, I'd recommend just adding them to the video description. Make sure you include an asterisk at the beginning and don't include any spaces if you're joining two words together. According to YouTube, the more tags you add to a video, the less relevant they become for users who are searching. So if the video has more than 15 hashtags, YouTube will ignore all the hashtags on that video. If you over-tag a video, YouTube will remove that video from your uploads or from search. Also, make sure you don't add hashtags that are not directly related to the video that you've uploaded. If you add misleading or unrelated hashtags, this will also result in the removal of your video. Make sure you read the misleading metadata policies on YouTube. I'll include a link to this document in the description below this video. If you want to add hashtags to the description of multiple YouTube videos, go to your video manager. You can check the box next to actions to add hashtags to all 29 videos on the page, or you can select all your videos. Then just click the actions box, click description, add your hashtags in the box, append to end. You also have the option to append to start, set to, or remove. If you want to add hashtags to select videos, then just click the boxes of the videos that you wish to select. Click the actions box, select description, input the hashtags in the box, and select append to end if you want to put it to the end of the description. After you've done that, you just click submit to add them to the description. What if you want to add hashtags to all future videos that you publish? Just click on channel, click upload defaults, then you can just add them in the title or in the description at the bottom. After you've done that, just click save and your hashtags will show up on all future videos that you publish. If you want to bulk edit all the descriptions on your YouTube channel, click the link in the card. The video will show how to find and replace any content that you placed in the description across all the videos on your channel. So how do you find relevant hashtags to use in your videos? My recommendation is to use your channel name in one of the hashtags. If someone clicks on the hashtag, all the related videos of your channel will show up on the page. Experiment with popular hashtags that occur on Instagram and Twitter to see if they work on YouTube. Another idea is to use a specific hashtag that's just related to your channel. When someone clicks on that hashtag, they'll discover the videos that are related to the video that they've just watched. This will result in more watch time for your YouTube videos, higher rankings, and more traffic. Here are 3 important things to keep in mind. Number one, currently hashtags can only be viewed via a web browser on your computer or through the Android app. Hashtags don't appear on the iOS app. This means you won't currently see them on your iPad or iPhone. Number two, only the first 3 hashtags in a video description will appear above your video title. Number 3, you can add hashtags in the description of previously uploaded videos. The hashtags will appear above the video titles for those videos. Now you know how to get more views to your YouTube videos using hashtags. But what if you want to get even more views by ranking your videos in YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos? Click the link in the card to find out how. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.